Hello and a very good afternoon and evening to everyone. So just going to take a recap of what's happened today so far. And in terms of recent news flow, we've seen from German press that the EFSF, they're to prepare credit lines for Spain in the case that they need it. So this was run on the newswires and we saw a bit of a move higher in terms of Eurodollar and also the US stock futures, so moving back towards session highs. Currently, US equity markets are trading in the green, so most of Europe did finish in some positive territory, although a couple of the major indices did finish in the red. Today is the final day of the Queen's Diamond Jubilee celebrations here in the UK, so tomorrow markets should be back to normal with all of those open again. In terms of US data today, we saw that ISM non-manufacturing did come in ever so slightly higher than the expected 53.4, came in at 53.7. However, the components of that not particularly great. We saw some weakening in terms of the employment component and also the prices paid. That came in the lowest since July of 2009. But despite this, the focus remained on the headline with a move higher seen in terms of the US equity markets and also a move lower in terms of the fixed income markets. We have seen a relatively range-bound trade in terms of the T-notes today. Did finish down around 3.5 ticks, and in terms of the energy complex, that was pretty range-bound, trading flat towards the NYMEX pick close. Concentration will be after market today with the API inventory numbers, and tomorrow as well the Department of Energy inventory numbers. Now, the main focus in tomorrow's session will be the ECB rate decision, so expectations are for them to remain on hold at 1%. However, there is still a chunk of analysts going for a 25 basis point cut, so that'll be quite interesting going ahead. Also, the Q&A will be much in focus considering the pressure that we've seen in terms of the European banking system at the moment, especially with Spain back in the frame. But that will be the main focus tomorrow, so the rate will be decided or announced at 1:45 London time, with the press conference scheduled at 1:30 London. Tomorrow as well, we've got the Department of Energy inventory numbers already mentioned, and in terms of fixed income, Portugal, they're looking to sell 6 and 12-month T-bills, and Germany looking to come to market with a 0.5% coupon, April 17 bubble auction as well. Now, in terms of today, that's enough from me. We'll have a little preview for you tomorrow morning and a look ahead. But in the meantime, have yourself a very pleasant evening.